Considering the number of industries relying on diesel engines to give them power, it's no wonder that the demand for skilled mechanics is growing. Over 24,000 diesel mechanic jobs are available nationwide, and UTI is committed to helping prepare students to meet the demand for diesel technicians. Typical job duties for a diesel mechanic include inspecting and repairing engines, as well as maintaining and repairing other systems in diesel vehicles. Students in UTI's diesel technology program are given the hands-on experience they need to pursue a range of career opportunities. Some of the roles that those with a diesel technology education can pursue include technicians within the trucking and transportation industries, working on semi-trucks and other large vehicles, mechanics who help support state and local governments by repairing and maintaining road crew equipment, city vehicles, and forestry equipment, mobile mechanics who travel to customers to make repairs on diesel vehicles on location, power generation technicians who help repair and troubleshoot diesel and gas generators. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median annual salary for bus and truck mechanics and diesel engine specialists was $48,500 in May 2019. Keep in mind that salary depends on several factors, including employer, demand, and cost of living in the area. You can prepare for a career in the diesel industry with training from UTI, which is offered at 10 campuses nationwide: Avondale, Arizona; Long Beach, California; Rancho Cucamonga, California; Sacramento, California; Orlando, Florida; Lisle, Illinois; Bloomfield, New Jersey; Exton, Pennsylvania; Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas; Houston, Texas. Let us show you which jobs are in demand and how you can get trained as a diesel technician in less than a year. Apply to UTI today.